Hello. Welcome to English Made Simple. My name is Paul. Thank you for listening today. This podcast is for English learners. It is for beginners and elementary learners. In this episode, we will practice slow English. We will practice listening, and we will practice speaking. You can listen first, then you can repeat after me. You can pause the audio. You can shadow my voice. Please relax. Take a deep breath. Let's begin. Let's start with easy English. I will speak slowly. Please listen. Hello. How are you today? I hope you are well. Today is a good day. You are learning English. That is great. Learning English takes time. Learning English needs practice, and you are practicing now. Good job. Now, let's practice speaking. Please repeat after me. Hello. How are you? I am learning English. I like learning English. Very good. Now let's talk about daily life. Let's talk about the morning. I will speak slowly. Listen first. Every morning, I wake up. I open my eyes. I get out of bed. I stretch my arms. I feel sleepy. Then I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. I smile. Now repeat after me. I wake up. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Good. Next. After that, I make breakfast. Sometimes I eat bread. Sometimes I eat eggs. I drink water. I drink tea. I sit at the table. I eat slowly. I enjoy my food. Repeat. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I sit at the table. Nice work. Now, I will ask simple questions. Listen first, then answer. What time do you wake up? I wake up at... Good. Do you eat breakfast? Yes, I eat breakfast. Or, no, I do not eat breakfast. Good. What do you drink in the morning? I drink. Excellent. Let's continue. Now, let's talk about going out. After breakfast, I get ready. I put on my clothes. I put on my shoes. I check my bag. I take my keys. I leave the house. Repeat after me. I get ready. I put on my clothes. I leave the house. Very good. I walk outside. I see people. I see cars. I hear sounds. The day begins. Repeat. I walk outside. I see people. I see cars. I hear sounds. Great. Now let's talk about work and study. Many people work. Many people study. Maybe you work. Maybe you study. That is okay. I go to work. I sit at my desk.
I do my job. I use my computer. I take a break. Repeat. I go to work. I do my job. I take a break. Good. Or maybe you study. I go to school. I open my book. I listen to my teacher. I write notes. I learn new words. Repeat. I go to school. I learn new words. Excellent. Now let's do shadowing practice. Please listen carefully. Then speak with me. I am learning English. I am learning English. I practice every day. I practice every day. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I speak slowly. I speak slowly. I am getting better. I am getting better. Great job. Now let's talk about the evening. After work, I go home. I feel tired. I sit down. I relax. Repeat. I go home. I feel tired. I sit down. I relax. Good. In the evening, I eat dinner. I eat rice, or I eat soup. I drink water. I talk to my family. Repeat. I eat dinner. I talk to my family. Very nice. Now it is night. I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. I change my clothes. Repeat. I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth. Good. I lie in bed. I close my eyes. I feel calm. I sleep. Repeat. I lie in bed. I sleep. Well done. Now listen carefully. You are doing very well. English is not easy, but you are trying. Practice every day. Listen every day. Speak every day. Small steps are good steps. You will improve. Repeat. I practice every day. I can learn English. I am improving. Excellent. Now we are at the end. Thank you for listening. Thank you for practicing. You did a great job today. Please listen again. Please repeat again. See you next time on English Made Simple. Goodbye.